Renovation Fix Flip Lending, the million-dollar questions. Why is renovation/fix and flip a winning proposition? Can you save money on your property by doing your own renovation project? Can you profit from engaging in fix/flip renovations? How do you start doing fix/flip renovations? Can you work with experts to leverage their experience for profitable projects? Renovation, or fix and flip, is the art of improving an existing property and increasing the value of the property for resale or for investment value maximization. Existing homes can fall into disrepair due to neglect and the inability of the current owner to maintain the property. Homes can become obsolete over time because building practices change. Homebuyers may prefer different amenities, finishes, and materials. Homes can lose value due to lack of popular features. Homes can also lose value due to safety considerations. Why is fix/flip and renovation a winning proposition? The good news for home renovation experts is that property is in short supply, and the demand for homes far exceeds the current supply. Home builders cannot find the land to build more homes fast enough to satisfy demand, and the cost of ground-up construction is much higher than the cost of renovating a current home. At Riviera Financial Partners, I have the privilege and joy of working with experts in the field of renovating fix/flip, and I think that you too can benefit from this opportunity in our market today. I can work with you to review the amenities and features that you want in your home, and I can work with you to attain them at a reduced cost. I work with many contractors and planners. I have the necessary budgeting and planning forms and guides. I also have a good directory of renovation specialists happy to share their expertise with you. The fix/flip renovation community is very collaborative and supportive. Whether you are renovating your own home or working on a fix/flip project, I have resources to offer you to consider your own projects. I think this is a good time for you to jump into the marketplace and invite you to collaborate with me. Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Partners 424-290-8294 Mitch at rivierafinancial.com.